Students, F block elements are those elements in which the last electron is placed in F orbital, or we may say that the F orbital is incomplete in the case of F block elements. They are also called rare earth elements because they are found rarely in Earth. They are also called super heavy elements because the atomic weights of the rare earth elements are very high and they are used in making very hard alloys, and all the F block elements have Misch character, MISCH. It means that if two pieces of the lanthanoids or actinoids are rubbed, then they catch fire, and catching fire tendency is known as Misch character. We must know that all the lanthanoids are called 4f block elements because in the case of lanthanoids 4f orbital is incomplete, and all the actinoids are called 5f block elements because in actinoids the 5f orbital is incomplete. All the lanthanoids are hard, but the actinoids are not very hard, they are comparatively soft. The common valencies shown by the lanthanoids is +2, +3 and +4, but the common valency shown by the actinoid is +2, +3, +4, +5, +6, and all the lanthanoids are found in nature together, and the ore of the lanthanoid is called flue dust or anodic mud, but only three actinoids are found in nature: TH, PA, and U. Initial three actinoids are found in nature. They are called pro-uranium elements, and the remaining 11 actinoids are not found in nature, and the remaining 11 actinoids are called trans-uranium elements. If we move left to right in the lanthanoid series, then the size of the lanthanoid decreases, and this phenomena is known as lanthanoid contraction. And if we move left to right in the actinoid series, then the size of actinoid also decreases, and this phenomena is known as actinoid contraction. All the lanthanoids possess the first ionization energy almost 600 kilojoule per mole, and all the lanthanoids possess the second ionization energy almost equal to 1200 kilojoule per mole. And if we consider the E naught values of all the lanthanoids, then E naught values of lanthanoids lie between -2 volt to -2.2 volt. It means that the negative electrode potential means they are more reactive than hydrogen, and they will liberate hydrogen from the acids. They will displace hydrogen from the acids, and all the lanthanoids commonly form trivalent salts because they have a most common valency of 3, and similar due to this they are kept in third group of the periodic table, and there are 6 orbits in each and every lanthanoid, so that the lanthanoids are placed in sixth period. Similarly, in the case of actinoids, there are 3 electrons in the last orbit, so that all the lanthanoids, all the actinoids have 3 electrons in the last orbit, so that they form also trivalent compounds, and also they are placed in the third group of the periodic table, and they contain 7 orbits, so that all the actinoids are placed in the 7th period of the periodic table. Lanthanoids and actinoids possess abnormal behavior. It means that the they are kept separately in the periodic table. अगर बाकी एलिमेंट्स जाएंगे पूरब तो ये कहते हैं पश्चिम. इसलिए ड्यू टू एबनॉर्मेलिटीज इन द वेरियस ऑफ द प्रॉपर्टीज, all the lanthanoids and actinoids are not kept with the remaining elements, but they are separately kept in the periodic table. पीरियोडिक टेबल में अगर हम बॉटम पार्ट देखें तो 4f ब्लॉक और 5f ब्लॉक एलिमेंट्स, जो कि 4f ब्लॉक लेंथेनॉइड्स हैं और 5f ब्लॉक एक्टिनॉइड्स हैं, उनके 14 एलिमेंट्स की सीरीज है, वो अलग से रखी गई है क्योंकि इनकी प्रॉपर्टीज बाकी एलिमेंट्स के साथ मैच नहीं होती. एंड द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कन्फिगुरेशन of the first lanthanoid, that is Ce, is 2818 1983, और चौथे ऑर्बिट में 19 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हैं. अगर मैं लेंथेनॉइड सीरीज में आगे बढ़ता हूं तो चौथे ऑर्बिट में एक एक इलेक्ट्रॉन हम बढ़ाते चले जाएंगे, and the last lanthanoid is lutetium, which will have the configuration 28183283. It means that the fourth orbit gains one electron gradually as we move left to right in the lanthanoid series. Similarly, in the case of actinoid series, the first actinoid is TH, thorium, which is 281832 1983, और पांचवें ऑर्बिट में 19 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हैं. और इफ वी मूव इन द actinoid series gradually, then fifth orbit gains electron, and in the last actinoid lawrencium, the electronic configuration is 281832 3283. It means that the electron is comparatively gradually gained in the fifth orbit of the actinoids, so that the final actinoid has a complete 5f orbital. Similarly, the final lanthanoid will possess the complete 4f orbital. All the lanthanoids and actinoids are paramagnetic in nature because they contain unpaired electrons and they are attracted by the magnet. They observe a force of attraction towards the magnet. But the paramagnetic character, if we plot with the atomic number of lanthanoid or actinoid, then if we take on the x-axis atomic number and on the y-axis paramagnetic character, then the paramagnetic character will increase up to GD and then decrease in the case of lanthanoid, while in the case of actinoid the paramagnetic character will increase up to curium and then decrease. आधे रास्ते तक चलने पर पैरामैग्नेटिक करेक्टर बढ़ जाता है क्योंकि अनपेयर्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन बढ़ जाते हैं, और आधे रास्ते से आगे जाने पर पैरामैग्नेटिक करेक्टर फिर घट जाता है क्योंकि अनपेयर्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन फिर से घट जाते हैं. एंड बोथ हैव द सेम टेंडेंसी. इट कैन बी रिप्रेजेंटेड आल्सो ग्राफिकली, which has been shown in the NCERT. And actinoids form comparatively less number of alloys. They are soft, they are radioactive, they have luster, and they decompose continuously by the natural radioactivity, so that actinoids have not very smooth chemistry, and it is very difficult to study the properties of actinoids. Because of radioactive nature, they are destroyed continuously and slowly. All the lanthanoids form carbides which are very hard, and these carbides of lanthanoid are used in making aeroplane engine because of very hard and very high melting and boiling points. Similarly, all the lanthanoids have mist character, or they are used in the gas lighters and cigarette lighters, जहाँ पर हम दो पत्तियों को रगड़ करके फ्लेम प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, तो ये मिस्ट कैरेक्टर कहलाता है. बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है. एंड द मोस्ट हाईएस्ट मिस्ट कैरेक्टर इज इन सीरियम, so that all the alloys like that of mixed metal are prepared by cerium. This is all about the F block elements up to the 12th level, and in the next video I will discuss generally the D block elements. So you can remember it and you can watch it again and again for the revision. And if you like the video, then subscribe my channel, and more interesting videos will be uploaded soon.